Hello and welcome. In this video we will be focusing on systems of government. By the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Identify one key characteristic of federal, unitary, and confederal systems of government. 2. Explain how federalism differs from unitary and confederal systems. 3. Recognize real-world examples of federal, unitary, and confederal systems of government. As you may recall from our previous video, we learned that federalism is a guiding principle created by the U.S. Constitution that creates a system in which the national government and the individual states share powers. The national government has the power to handle certain issues, while the states handle other issues. Both levels of government can exercise power over similar issues. We call this a federal system of government. The federal system is what we use in the United States, but it is not the only option the framers of the Constitution had when deciding which system would be best. We will look at two other popular systems of government. Another system of government is unitary. In a unitary system, power is mostly held by a national government that passes laws and makes decisions at a central level. Those laws and decisions are then passed down to the local level. Sometimes the local level may have some say, but everything can be overridden at the national level. The British Empire is an example of a unitary system. You may recall that the 13 colonies were part of the British Empire up until the American Revolution. In this system, Parliament and the King passed laws that would affect all parts of the empire, including the 13 colonies. The last system of government that we are going to look at is confederal. Under a confederal system, states or other local governments hold almost all of the power. States may delegate a few tasks to the national government. However, individual states often will make most decisions independently and try to maintain as much freedom to do as they please as possible. If you remember that during the Civil War, Southern states attempted to secede from the Union. Early in the war, the Southern states operated more under a confederal system of government. The states wanted to work together toward a common goal but keep their independence. Let's review what we discussed in this video. In a unitary system, the national government has almost all power. Oftentimes laws and decisions are made at a central level and passed down to the local level. The United Kingdom is an example of a place that uses this system of government. We saw how some of this system worked with the 13 colonies subject to British rule in the lead-up to American independence. A federal system involves the national government and states sharing power. The national government will create laws, but states will also have the ability to make their own laws. In the United States, we use this system of government. If you recall the examples from the previous video, the national government creates a national currency, while states can issue licenses. Our last system is the confederal system. In a confederal system, local governments, such as states, maintain most control and power. National governments may be delegated some power by the states. The states, however, maintain strong independence and freedom. Each state may create its own individual set of laws, so you can see a variety of differences between the states. One of the best examples of this system is the Southern states that tried to leave the Union at the start of the Civil War. The states wanted to have independence, but worked together for a common goal. Thanks for watching.